Two pieces of evidence are the focus of two closed-door hearings this month in the murder trial against accused killer Bryan Kohberger and whether it's being withheld. The evidence reportedly includes specific information used by police to arrest Kohberger, cell phone tower data, and video and audio recordings of a white sedan near the crime scene in Moscow, Idaho. Kohberger, as you know, is charged with the murder of college students Ethan Chapin, Madison Mogen, Xana Kernodle, and Kaylee Gonzalez in a home near the University of Idaho back in November 2020. Senior national correspondent Brian Inton has been following this case from the very beginning. He is back there live in Moscow. So, Brian, what exactly is the defense accusing the prosecution of doing?
Yeah, well, Nichole, the defense for quite some time has been saying that the prosecution is not handing over all of the evidence in the case. So that is not new. But what's interesting, and the reason we're here in Idaho, is this hearing this afternoon in the courthouse behind me. There's going to be a witness, which we haven't seen happen very many times. They're not saying exactly who the witness is when they have the hearing, but I'm hearing it's likely going to be a police detective, and it's all going to have to do with cell phone data, which is critical to the prosecution's theory that Kohberger did it, but it's also critical to the defense's alibi saying Kohberger did not do it. I want to read you this. This is from a previous court document, and it has to do with Kohberger's alibi. The defense attorney writes, Mr. Kohberger was out driving in the early morning hours of November 13th, 2022, as he often did to hike and run and or see the moon and stars. He drove throughout the area south of Pullman, Washington, west of Moscow, Idaho, including Wawawai Park. So they're saying he was out driving, stargazing when the murders happened, and he wasn't at the house. You look at this map here. Remember, police say Kohberger was at the house based on the cell phone pings. Kohberger's defense is trying to say he was not near the house, which goes against exactly what the police have said. They say the pings are what puts Kohberger near the house, but you can see that Wawawai County Park is about 28 miles from the murder scene. Remember, police also say there is DNA evidence that connects Kohberger to the knife sheath found at the murder scene, but the defense is also trying to poke holes in that DNA evidence because investigators used this new form of DNA called investigative genetic genealogy. Basically, they use distant relatives to connect it all back to Kohberger. That could also come up at today's hearing, but it's possible that they could close that part off, actually make the media leave, make the public leave, because that part of the evidence contains sensitive information about Kohberger's distant relatives. Again, they used them to connect the DNA back to Kohberger. All of this, Nichole, very frustrating for the victims' families. They can't believe that this is taking so long. They feel like it's delay after delay after delay. There has not even been a trial date set at this point, Nichole.
Yeah, we continue to wait, and I know it has to be so tough for those families. Brian, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.